Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are good. Let's take a review of all important topics which we read in last lectures from chapter number 1, Map. Our first topic is what is a map? A map is a representation of the Earth's features. Drawn on a flat surface, map use symbols and colors to represent features of an area, simplifying the real world. Dear students, there are many uses of maps. For example, to determine where you are going, to act as a model of Earth's surface, used to locate various places, to show the distribution of various features or types of materials. Types of map. There are three types of map. Political maps. Maps that show countries, states, cities, and capitals are known as political maps. Physical maps. Physical maps show features of the earth such as mountains, rivers, oceans, and forests. A relief map. A map that uses different colors or textures to show the height or depth of mountains, hills, valleys, etc. Elements of map. There are 5 elements of map. Our first element of map is title. Every map should have a title. We need to know what the map is representing. A map should have a name. Second element of map is key. Key tells us what different symbols, colors and lines on a map mean. Dear student, as you can see in this picture, direction. Direction or a compass rose shows the direction on a map of any place or any area. Dear student, as you can see in this picture, dear student, our fourth element of map is scale. Scale shows what a distance on a map is actually equal to on Earth and gives information about distance between 2 points or places. Dear student, as you can see in this picture, last element is grid. Grids are vertical and horizontal lines which are drawn on a map to easily find out a location of a place. Dear students, our next topics are longitudes and latitudes. Longitudes. Longitudes are vertical lines run from south to north. There are 360 degrees meridians of longitudes drawn at interval of 1 degree. Parallel of latitudes are horizontal lines which run from west to east. There are 5 most important latitudes like a equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Okay dear students, write down question number 2 and 5 from chapter number 1 on your copies. For question number 5, consult from your little atlas or Google map of Pakistan. I am sure you fulfill the given task. Thank you.